we want to find and simplify f of x plus h for the given function here. So f of x plus h means that we need to replace every x in our function with x plus h. So I would recommend keeping the parentheses there, even though sometimes, depending on the problem, you don't necessarily have to have them. I think it makes it easier if you keep them. So f of x plus h equals 2 x plus h inside parentheses goes in place of the x. Same thing here. X plus h inside the parentheses replaces the x. So then we need to simplify this. So following the order of operations, the first thing we would need to do is square the x plus h here. We need to square this. So the square of x plus h means we are essentially multiplying using the FOIL process x plus h times x plus h. So then we need to multiply x times x times h times x, and h times h in order to use the FOIL process to multiply those two sets of parentheses together. So that will give us 2 x squared plus hx plus another hx for the inner terms, and then plus h squared. Let's also distribute the 3, or negative 3 rather, through the parentheses, making minus 3x minus 3h plus 5. Distributing the 2 through the parentheses and also combining these like terms, hx plus hx makes 2hx. Then when we distribute the 2, we will have 4hx. So distributing the 2 through that big set of parentheses will give you 2x squared plus 4hx plus 2h squared. And then we still have minus 3x minus 3h plus 5. And that's it. That's as far as we can go on this particular problem with finding and simplifying f of x plus h.